guys, welcome to my vlog. This is the part 3. And nabitin yung post ko kanina. Tinatapos ko yung best ko. Yung best friend ko, guys. So, ngayon dito ako sa swimming pool. And nilamig ako. So, pinag ako dito. But walang tubig yung swimming pool. Say hi! Siya, guys. Pero, siya yung best friend ko. Pero, yung account ko, but, ako lang daw yung YouTube ko rin kasi. Wala pa siya dito, guys, at hindi alam ng mga kapatid ko, or kuya ko lang nakakaalam, no? Pero ayaw niya mag-video kasi nahiya siya, guys. And, wait, oh my gosh. I'm gonna grab my phone. Wait a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is my friend. And I'm gonna play Roblox for a minute because she's in her house. So, let's play Roblox. Roblox tayo, Mia. I'm speaking English and Tagalog.
Follow lang ako.
Okay.
Follow lang kita sa YouTube.
So my friend, sabi ng friend ko, papalo niya account. I'm gonna play Escape Grandma's House Obby. That one. Can you please add me in my Roblox? If anyone see my video, please add me. This is the part 3 of my vlog. My name is Best Hamster Cool 7. And this is my little sister's tablet because my iPad there's no YouTube because my mom don't like to have it. So let's play. I don't like to play the hobby. I'm gonna play. Wait. Troll is spanning Tower of Doom. This. And my glasses is on my bed. So, mamaya ko na lang kunin kasi tinatamad pa ako. Oh, ang ganda ng lights. Wait lang, guys. Ay, nila para mamaya na. Ba't tayo? Ganito kasi yun. Yan. Kanina, of course, nakaganyan. Tapos ngayon, ganyan. So, let's play. Oh, nahulog. I'm speaking English to everyone. And my friend, I'm Tagalog because she is Tagalog. And if you watch that, when I was bata, I speak Tagalog. But when my cousins speak English, I'm English too. But my cousin is Tagalog. Don't know that. Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi ko memorize. Kaya join ka sa akin. Nag-join si Kalbo. So guys, yung tinutukoy ko na Kalbo is shading. Hala, nahulog ako.
Eva, patayin mo muna kasi lobat na ako.
Okay. Ikaw na magpatay. So, nasa blue tower na ako. So, I'm here now in the blue tower. And if Adara join me, I'm gonna laugh. troll is a panning? What the hell? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh. Bah. I just fall in. I'm with the boys. I'm not gonna. So this is my profile wallpaper. And if anyone knows me, my name is Eva Felicia. And I hope you like this vlog. Cause okay, there's no signal. So let's go in the sala. So I'm gonna take my glasses on. Tick tock, tick tock. So bye bye guys. Hintayin nyo yung part 4.